Hi, I'm Artie, TechWizard's artificial intelligence feature. This is Pam, a product development specialist. Today, she wants to develop a prototype ice cream formula based on a competitor's existing product. That is, she will use me, TechWizard's artificial intelligence feature, to reverse engineer an ice cream. She is going to use the information from a product label to create a similar ice cream formula. Here are the nutrition facts and ingredient statement that Pam will use to reverse engineer the ice cream. Pam, you can enter this information in the reverse engineering section.
Okay, Artie, I'm putting them in now.
The information from the serving size is converted to a 100-gram basis and lower and upper values are set for each property. I will use this to specify the composition for the new formula. The properties and corresponding minimums and maximums are transferred to the formula development section. My job will be to figure out the ingredient amounts to match this. Pam, I'm going to need a list of ingredients to do this.
Okay, Artie, I'm putting them in now. I'm adding ingredients that match what is in the ingredient statement.
Pam,
Yes, Artie.
you see these ingredients here?
You mean the stabilizer, emulsifier, and vanilla?
Yes. You need to set some limits on these.
Is this because otherwise you won't know how much to use?
You don't have to rub it in. They are used in such small amounts that the desired composition is barely affected by them.
Hey, Artie, from my review of other ice creams like this one, I have an idea of how much to use.
Okay, Pam. Click the Formulate button and I will do my thing.
Wow, Artie, that was fast. I was able to find some helpful information on frozen desserts in the TechWizard manual. Based on that, I'm going to add a few more properties. This will let me see how this formula compares to what I found. Look at the relative sweetness, Artie.
What's wrong?
Nothing's wrong. It's just that most frozen desserts fall between 13 and 16 relative sweetness. This one is extra sweet, just like you.
Okay, Pam. Let's go back to the place where you entered the original nutrition facts data and see how well I did.
Wow, Artie. This looks great. The values are very close. I'm going to prepare a batch report and make some.
Keep in mind, Pam, the more information you provide, the closer I can get to the original formula. For example, some chemical analyses would be helpful.
I will consider it, Artie. I'm currently busy using TechWizard to get my raw ingredient costs for a production run.
I would also suggest that you use the special TechWizard frozen dessert features to determine the freezing properties of the new ice cream.
You know, Artie, before we had TechWizard, it took forever to do this.
Hey, Pam? Can I try your new ice cream?
But it's just the formula right now. I still need to make it.
No worries. Yum. Now that's what I call ice cream. Ha! Ice cream.
Oh, Artie, you're too funny.